Why traditional fundraising is broken and what's replacing it. So, you run a club, you run a society, you run a charity, and you're always struggling for funds. It's what happens. You will have raffles, you will ask for donations or beg for donations. You've chased down auction prizes from absolutely everyone within that small community. And you raise what? You have a prize raffle and you raise a couple of hundred. It's hard work, isn't it? Constantly fundraising is something that you as a leader within that small community, within that society, within that club, within that charity, you need to do. And it's exhausting. You end up with burnt out volunteers, even the big charities. It's unpredictable because you don't know how much you're going to bring in. You don't know how much you're going to raise. It's time consuming and sometimes really isn't worth the effort. I've known some that actually lose money. It's just that everyone's volunteered to do everything. The thing is, small causes struggle to get noticed. So small causes can be your local scout group, your local brownies. Could be the local football, the kids' local football club. It could be the swimming club. There are so many out there that need extra funds. The majority of clubs, societies, charities, the smaller ones, are reliant on donations and the people that come to them. So, what if there was a way that you could get funds every month automatically, without events, without begging, and without yourself getting burnt out and stressed so you know how much is going to come in? It's new. So, in the next video, I will introduce you to a new fundraising concept. That means you will know how much money you've got coming in. People will know how much they're spending, and there's bonuses for all. I will talk to you shortly.